Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
A meeting between myself and His Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodimma, and Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Kalu, other market leaders of our various markets, Igbo markets in Lagos, and community leaders, and also some state government officials. The meeting had gone up very successfully. We will discuss issues around common interest, especially issues bordering on recent demolition around the Alaba market, where there have been a lot of wrong information. There's been all sort of wrong communication that has gone out. Our conversation here this afternoon has cleared the air. We've seen that indeed there is need for us to continue to further collaborate. Where wrongs have been expressed, we've corrected all of the issues and the views, and we've jointly set up a small working committee that will go around and verify and see things for ourselves, and be able to put all of the negative, information and media reviews, put them out correctly. I'm happy with the interactions and engagement with the leaders here this afternoon. We've shared views, we've shared ideas, and we'll continue to say that our government is a government that would reflect equity, fairness at all times. Lagos will continue to remain a peaceful abode for all Nigerians, for all citizens of this country that are doing good businesses. Will continue to make sure that the atmosphere and the environment is conducive for everyone. And what we have seen here this afternoon is a complete reflection of what purposeful cooperative governance should be. And I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you that have come out, and also to thank my brother governor and the Right Honorable Deputy Speaker and all the Igbo leaders that are here. We're happy with ourselves. We see a lot of common unity that this country requires, being played here amongst all of us, right? And with the state officials that are also in the meeting, that has been reflected, at the end of the day. So we want people to go about their normal business without any fear, knowing fully well that they have a government that will always continue to listen to them and give everybody an opportunity to do well, to run their businesses, and to ensure that we live in a safe and secure environment. Excellency, just want to say one or two words.
Yeah, I think like His Excellency the Governor have said, myself and my brother the Deputy Speaker and other leaders of the Igbo business community in Lagos having raised some concerns over some of the policies that has to do with environmental cleanliness and the construction of the essential and critical infrastructures in Lagos State. to enable business to boom. And how those policies have been implemented, which raised some complaints from our brothers and sisters living in Lagos. We came on a delegation to speak to the governor and bring those concerns to his notice. He indeed listened and proactively immediately set up a technical committee that will look into the way those issues are being handled and ensure that nothing is seen as a deliberate policy to hurt any interest. And they have guaranteed our brothers and sisters in Lagos of his protection. They should go back to their businesses and do their businesses. There is no fear of any molestation and no policy that will be targeted against them or against their business interests. And I'm so happy and grateful that the governor gave such quick response to our concerns. So it is a thing of joy. And I also use this medium to assure my brothers and sisters to go back to their businesses while the committee will do the work they have been assigned to do. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.